So this week we'll probably have an industry expert coming in and kind of demonstrate like the best way to do that. But like you were saying in the previous week, it's so important to have good images for your work, especially if you're selling products.
Yeah.
And that kind of ties in with your brand identity of, you know, making sure that you're delivering quality service and products and people can kind of get a feel.
Yeah, like it just makes such a difference. We've done pop-up shops and looked through like maybe different like designer maker stuff, and it just, yeah, I mean not everything has to be, I mean if you can learn some of the tools to do some social media ones, I think on social media people expect them to be done by hand, and if you learn the tools to do it, okay, I think that's fine, but yeah, it's worth investing in some good photos or learning how to do it well yourself. And you can with your phone, I think you can do it quite well now.
Yeah, because I think when you figure out like the lighting and making sure like you're setting up sets, you know, it doesn't have to be that expensive.
No.
And you can kind of, you know, there's YouTube or there's, you know, different people that you follow. You could even try and imitate their set and seeing how they do it. And a lot of the time, like, it's just good lighting and making sure that it's consistent and not blurry images. And
also get it, if you don't have work, it's worth investing in getting someone to take a good headshot.
Yeah.
Or a halfway good one, so that you've got one on like LinkedIn and something on your website so people know you're real. I mean, nobody likes getting their photograph taken, but I think it's worth doing.
And like, even maybe investing in someone or paying someone to do that, so it kind of takes that pressure off yourself.